Never forget this formula. In the beginning, God. In the beginning of your pursuit, God. Not knowledge, God. In the beginning of your career, God. In the beginning of your business, God. In the beginning of politics and government, God. In the beginning of church, God. In the beginning of family, God. If he does not begin, he cannot defend anything there, because he only becomes Omega over what he became Alpha over. You cannot invite him somewhere in the middle of the mess and say, Lord, continue with me. He will start afresh, because he's a God of patterns.
To my toes, I am covered with the fire of God, burning me everywhere. From my spirit to my soul, I am filled with the glory of God, moving me everywhere. So I come in the volumes of the books. It is written of me to do your will, Lord. From here I will shake